For the barbell thruster, we're combining a front squat and a push press together in one movement. So regardless if you're taking it off the rack or you're cleaning it, we're going to get it to the shoulder in the front rack position. So elbows in front, let the bar rest on your shoulders and collarbone. Keep your elbows high as you go down. On the way up, you're going to gain speed, pop at the top, and finish with your arms. So from the side, full speed. So I'm going directly from one, bringing it down, waiting until it gets to my shoulder. Then that's going to start bringing me down into my squat. You don't want to start going early when you're coming down and you're already squatting. That's a longer way for the bar to come crashing down on you. So wait till the bar gets to your shoulders, then that's going to start pushing you down.